It may be unbelievable, but did you know that the majority of Earth's volcanoes are located in the ocean's heart? Hey guys! Today, we want to travel to Earth planet together and gain new insights. So, join us in this journey. Do you know the origin of the name of the place you live on and how many years it has been? The name Earth is at least 1,000 years old. All of the planets, except for Earth, were named after Greek and Roman gods and goddesses. However, the name Earth is a Germanic word, which simply means the ground. Potential for life. Earth has a very hospitable temperature and mix of chemicals that have made life abundant here. Most notably, Earth is unique in that most of our planet is covered in liquid water, since the temperature allows liquid water to exist for extended periods of time. Earth's vast oceans provided a convenient place for life to begin about 3.8 billion years ago. In your opinion, what position does Earth hold in terms of size among the planets? With an equatorial diameter of 7,926 miles, 12,760 kilometers, Earth is the biggest of the terrestrial planets and the fifth largest planet in our solar system. From an average distance of 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers, Earth is exactly 1 astronomical unit away from the Sun because 1 astronomical unit, abbreviated as AU, is the distance from the Sun to Earth. This unit provides an easy way to quickly compare planets' distances from the Sun. It takes about 8 minutes for light from the Sun to reach our planet. Orbit and rotation. As Earth orbits the Sun, it completes 1 rotation every 23.9 hours. It takes 365.25 days to complete 1 trip around the Sun. That extra quarter of a day presents a challenge to our calendar system, which counts 1 year as 365 days. To keep our yearly calendars consistent with our orbit around the Sun, every 4 years we add 1 day. That day is called a leap day, and the year it's added to is called a leap year. What role does the Moon play in stabilizing the Earth? Moons. Earth is the only planet that has a single moon. Our moon is the brightest and most familiar object in the night sky. In many ways, the moon is responsible for making Earth such a great home. It stabilizes our planet's wobble, which has made the climate less variable over thousands of years. The moon is an average of 238,855 miles, 384,400 kilometers, away from Earth. That means 30 Earth-sized planets could fit in between Earth and its moon. Rings. Earth has no rings. Structure. Earth is composed of 4 main layers, starting with an inner core at the planet's center, enveloped by the outer core, mantle, and crust. Like Mars and Venus, Earth has volcanoes, mountains, and valleys. Earth's lithosphere, which includes the crust, both continental and oceanic, and the upper mantle, is divided into huge plates that are constantly moving. For example, the North American plate moves west over the Pacific Ocean basin, roughly at a rate equal to the growth of our fingernails. Earthquakes result when plates grind past one another, ride up over one another, collide to make mountains, or split and separate. Earth's global ocean, which covers nearly 70% of the planet's surface, has an average depth of about 2.5 miles, 4 kilometers, and contains 97% of Earth's water. Almost all of Earth's volcanoes are hidden under these oceans. Hawaii's Mauna Kea volcano is taller from base to summit than Mount Everest, but most of it is underwater. Earth's longest mountain range is also underwater, at the bottom of the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans. It is 4 times longer than the Andes, Rockies, and Himalayas combined. Atmosphere. Near the surface, Earth has an atmosphere that consists of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases such as argon, carbon dioxide, and neon. The atmosphere affects Earth's long-term climate and short-term local weather and shields us from much of the harmful radiation coming from the Sun. It also protects us from meteoroids, most of which burn up in the atmosphere, seen as meteors in the night sky, before they can strike the surface as meteorites. At the end of this video about Earth, let's remember that each of us can play an important role in preserving this beautiful planet. What do you think is the biggest threat to Earth right now, and how can we prevent it? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, stay tuned for our upcoming videos.